Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to add Facebook pages in GoCurate app and how you can post any articles on the added Facebook pages. Let's begin. When you logged into your GoCurate app, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, where you can see the total numbers and informations you need. On the side section, click on Social Accounts. Given below is the list of Facebook pages that you've got management permissions for. Here you can see I have one account added, and to add more, click on Add FB Page button. And a pop-up will show reminding me that I have previously linked GoCurate to Facebook, so let me click on Edit Settings. Next, you want to select the pages that you want to use with GoCurate app. Down below, you will see all the pages that you have. If you want to use them all, just check the Select All box. But if you want to select just a few, you can select each individual box. And when you're done, click on Next. Now here, it will ask you for the permissions, like what is GoCurate allowed to do. And we have a permission here to show a list of pages you manage. Click on the toggle button, then select Done. And now you have linked your GoCurate app to Facebook. You can update what GoCurate can do in your business integration settings. To finish setting up, GoCurate may require additional steps. Click on OK. Going back to GoCurate app, this is the list of Facebook pages that your account has management and content creation rights for. Below you will see the logo and page names. Click on Add Page to add it to GoCurate. And you will see it's now added to our social accounts. Now below social accounts, click on Campaign on the side section. Here is where you can manage your campaigns. Setting up your campaign will allow you to post any articles on the added Facebook pages. If you don't have any yet, just click on Add Campaign button. All you need to do is fill in the details, like the campaign name. Let me name it My Campaign. Then set in the post gap, setting your date and time for posting any articles. So you can post your articles whenever you want. Set in the start time and the end time. After that, enter in the interval. You can set it by minute or by day. This interval will take place after you have posted an article. Then it waits for the interval to post again. Then choose your blog. I have 3 options here, so let me choose the first one. Choose the Connect Social Accounts. And select the sources. You can select multiple or you can select one. After that's done, click on Submit. Now our campaign is added on the list. And when your campaign is all set up, you can post any articles on the added Facebook pages. GoCurate is an app that allows you to add Facebook pages and lets you manage the article postings. And in order to do it, you'll need the permissions set up, like the one we did earlier. But you will need 2 more permissions from Facebook, which are publish_pages to post comments managed by the app user. It also requires the manage_pages permission to post comment, hide comment, and unhide comment. But let me clarify that this permissions is to notify Facebook only, and it is not for users. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching.